Home Remedies presents simple trick will get rid of most insects around your home. Not only are bugs and insects unpleasant to look at, but they can introduce germs and disease, cause damage to your home and wreak havoc on your garden and landscaping. You know you want to get rid of these pesky creatures, but you don't want to use harsh chemicals that could put your health at risk. Today I will share with you a safe, healthy, eco-friendly way to get rid of unwelcome pests. Let's see how. Ingredients. Are you liking the video? If yes, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to support it. Any liquid detergent or organic laundry detergent, 2 teaspoons, water 1 liter. Directions: mix all the ingredients in a spray bottle and mix thoroughly. How to apply. Insecticidal soap is best applied in the early morning or early evening, as the cooler temperatures slow evaporation of the soap and favor better pest control. Spray once a week, or for more serious infestations, every 4 days, for 4 weeks until you see improvement. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.